You're looking at a 2022 Chevrolet Bolt EUV all-electric Premier with 25,000 miles. This vehicle gets about 250 miles at 100% charge. Still under full factory warranty. The car is in excellent shape with absolutely no stories. Comes fully loaded with every option available, including ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, premium wheels, full camera system, keyless entry, the CCS fast charging with the J1772 port, blind spot monitors, VIN numbers right here, leather interior with lumbar support, climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and projection with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, backup camera, but also you can also see the front as well. Amazon Alexa, Bluetooth, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, one pedal driving, voice activation, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, pre-collision system. Exact mileage is 25230. Power options, heated seats in the rear as well, USB-C ports as well. Like new condition. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, that's 508-921-0301. Thank you.